WhatsApp has recently pushed out an update allowing its users to forward their channel updates directly through WhatsApp message. In this video, Mr. Arslan Mughal walks us through this feature.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is your host Arslan Anwar and you're watching the Blind Help Project official YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited to discuss about the feature which is recently announced or rolled out by WhatsApp, the channel updates forwarding feature. With this feature, we are now able to forward our WhatsApp channel updates wherever we want, and the channel name will also be visible with the update which we will forward. So without wasting further ado, let's see how this feature works. So in order to use this feature, you will first have to go to the WhatsApp and the update section and find the channel from the announcement you would like to forward. So as you can see on the screen, I'm now available in Blind Help Project official WhatsApp channel. We will share the update from here. By the way, if you didn't follow our WhatsApp channel, go to this video description and you will find the link to be a part of. So this is the last update which I will use to forward. Here we go.
Come join us at Blind Help Project's Word Web Series in Urdu.
Here is the update. Swipe right until you find the forward button. If you didn't find the forward button, you can long press the update which you want to be forwarded. You will find the relevant buttons there.
Send. Red heart reaction. Forward.
Here is the forward button. Click here.
WhatsApp.
The screen is visible where you can forward this update to your contacts along with your WhatsApp status if you want. So I will go
Crown Arslan Anwar Eagle. You. Message yourself.
here. Yes. Click here and click the send button.
Send button. WhatsApp.
Yes. Here we go. Let's see what I actually want to show you.
Come join us at Blind Help Project's Word Web Series in Urdu. We're excited to share a bunch of videos that explore Word Web.
Here is the update.
Transferring button.
The photo.
Blind Help Project.
Yes, Blind Help Project. This is the name of the channel which is now showing with the forwarded message.
Forwarded.
Yeah, here is the forwarded tag.
Blind Help Project.
If you will swipe right, you will find the channel name. So in our case, this is the Blind Help Project's channel. If I will click this icon,
Loading. WhatsApp.
it will go directly to the channel. Here we go.
Blind Help Project 277 followers.
Yes, we've got 277 followers on WhatsApp. So in this way, you can forward the updates and your channel name will also go with the message which you have forwarded. Take a good care of yourself. We'll meet you in another video. Allah Hafiz.